Hey boys, it's me, MCPENB. Let's just play some Minecraft, you know? Right. Let's play my world.
Boy.
What?
Boy.
What?
Boy.
What?
Boy.
What?
Boy.
What? I got raped in my butthole, Daddy.
Nuh-uh.
You did?
No.
You got raped in your butthole by Joseph.
No.
Ah!
You think I know that? Kirby barely made it.
Okay. Alright guys, what I'm gonna be doing here today is showing you how to use a certain command block.
Everybody needs to know that.
Actually, they might, if they want to make a proper garage door in Minecraft, that actually works. Is it? Yeah. If they're role-playing, you know? Some people actually do that, like me. I role-play with a whole bunch of girls. It's just a joke.
Your jokes aren't funny. They're terrible.
Except for the one that you got raped in your butthole.
I like how one of your pictures.
Guys, I love pissing this person off. It's so funny. Hi, Danny. Danny? Yeah, I can't do that. Alright, that's fine. And guys, yes, I am in school. I really don't care if I'm in school or not. Like, frick that crap. I'm making a YouTube video. What do you think I'm gonna do? Just be silent the whole time?
Yeah. Nuh-uh.
What the frick was that? Is he drunk? I can't. No. No. Dude, I'm making a video. What? What? Alright, so yeah. You can just need buttons, some redstone.
Your character makes you look like someone from Baymax, Big Hero 6. The guy off of Big Hero 6.
What do you mean? I don't get it. Are you judging my skin?
Yeah.
You butthole.
No.
I'm just gonna do one by one. Or
What is that?
one by one by one.
What is that?
These are command blocks, you idiot.
Nuh-uh.
Alright, so what you want to do is just fill.
No, it's a door.
Stupid. Alright, what you want to do is this. Go right here. Then slash TP.
Yeah, because you know this game's retarded.
Right there.
Oopsie,
Then
you messed up.
12.5442. 12.5442. And then I believe it's 4. Just because I do prank calls.
You know what? You should record the Freddy.
11.5415. 11.54.
Oh, Jerry, your controls are
One.
CD and
Five.
No, let's just do that.
151515151515151515.
CV and B. So
ugly.
I know, right?
That's your.
I mean, you're way uglier, so
How did you
yeah.
get done?
Who?
Sonic.
One.
No.
12.5442.
I'm playing.
12.5442.
Losing, you're not playing.
5.
Huh.
I stay.
I wanna check this out.
Is that him? I bet you just me and you.
Is this a freaking nail?
Kevin fucking killed me like 2 times.
No, it's gonna rip my nail off though.
And what you listening to?
One of my nails fell off.
Yo, I have a freaking nail in my shoe. Ow.
You don't need to tell the whole world you have a nail in your shoe. You should pause your video.
Yo.
You watch the video?
Someone's trying to kill me. They made me step on a nail. A nail was in my freaking shoe.
Tack.
No!
No, Rusty, I don't want to get tetanus.
You won't get tetanus.
Kirby can wait. Can you let
11.541.
Why would you bring all that stuff to school?
11.5.
Are you a murderer? Are you a murderer? Are you a murderer? Are you a murderer?
Shut the frick up.
Make me.
I can't make you. I'm not a female.
I know, right? I thought you were.
No, it's B. It's B. It's B. It's B. Sorry. Wait, look when you stand up, right? Down one. Hold B. Now. Stop hitting me. What is it?
One.
See, if you just hold left or right.
What time is it?
Like my pencil.
Right here.
Like my pencil.
That's
Going after me, Jerry.
Like my pencil.
Joseph, what percent is it on?
Hey, Birdie, you like my pencil?
Stay on the ground.
Like my pencil.
I'm just gonna do stone, guys. And don't mind the background noises. Alright, so that's basically what you want to do. You can just... Alright, so what you can do is
Are you
this.
talking to your boyfriend?
Hold on, guys.
And I want to use my special one. That's Sonic's main one.
Are you trying to kill me? Murderer.
Yeah, see, guys? This is how it works. You can make a door, you can make a garage door, any kind of that. Stop calling me what my dad is.
You're tattletale.
Alright, see, guys? That's how it is. That's how easy it is. Alright, well, I gotta go, guys. See ya.